Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake from condensed milk, only ways. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9-inch pan. Combine condensed milk, eggs, flour, butter, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix until smooth but do not overbeat. Pour batter into the pan and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool before slicing and enjoy the rich, tender crumb. Gather your ingredients so the process stays simple and relaxed. You need condensed milk, eggs, flour, butter, baking powder, salt, and vanilla. Use room temperature eggs and butter for smoother batter and better volume. Measure flour by spooning into the cup and level it off to avoid dense cake. Vanilla adds aroma, while a pinch of salt balances sweetness. Prepare your pan and preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. Start by creaming softened butter with condensed milk until pale and airy, then add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. Sift flour with baking powder and salt, then fold gently into the wet mixture until just combined. Pour batter into a prepared 9-inch pan and smooth the top. Bake at 350 degrees F for about 25 to 35 minutes, testing with a toothpick. Cool on a rack before slicing to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.